Hello everybody, I like to show you today fig trees. This is Chicago Hardy. As you see, everything last year I planted here, everything has working this year. And if you go look at the bottom, they got the roots beginning of the summer, like this time last year I planted them. So this year I am planting this one. As you see, I cut it and make it nice here in the bottom, and I go cut this look in here or here, so I put it in right here like this way. I cut it. All you have to do is push this in, but you have to keep the watering this, keep it wet. So this is the final one. So this is it, like basically. So you plant this in, pushing inside like this, the bucket. So next year, hopefully this will wake up and become like this. They will catch this one, I don't know. So this is the water we have. Let me put this in here. So I will put some water on it. As you see, we have hazelnuts here. We have walnuts. We have to keep working non-stop. All you have to do is like pour the water on it. Make sure you got water in here. So you have to do it, give them a water basically every day, every other day. So this is the real one. That's what happened last year. As you guys see, this is Chicago Hardy. We live in New Jersey, very cold zone. No problem, I'm gonna plant them out this year. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.